and then you can use the same logic for doing the factorization. I'm just repeating for now, Vega. I'll be showing division. For now, whatever I'm telling, it will not make sense to you. But okay, when we'll be having the discussion from the factorization and everything, then you will understand it in a better way. So
Okay.
division you will understand. Okay, now whatever I will say, that maybe you will not understand. So yes, Tanisha, Gauri, and Chakrika. First, you have to figure out what is the zero of that cubic polynomial just by trial and error method. From there, you are taking out the factor and then you are doing the division. In division, whatever you are going to get in the quotient part, that will be the other factor. Is it making sense what I'm talking about?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes.
so that's why I'm just going to show you 2 to 3 random division. Same logic you need to use over there. And yeah, today we'll be finishing this chapter. We are done with this one. So we can also start the next chapter, that is coordinate geometry. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So first, those 2, 3 division we'll be doing together. Suppose we have to divide directly. I'm writing the division format on the screen. So suppose we have to divide. We are having 2x plus 6. This is the divisor, and we are doing the division of 6x square plus 10x plus just minus 24. Okay, let's do the division. Yes, Vega, just basic division we are trying to see. The way you understand that you can divide any number, that means 13 you can divide by 2. Okay, long division method you already know. 2 6 times 12. Then what you do the subtraction, and then you write the remainder one. Okay, same type of division we are doing it for the polynomials. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
so for doing this type of division, this will be helpful for you, okay, for doing the factorization and in future as well. However, this one is not there in your syllabus. In class 9 syllabus it is not there, so directly you will never ever get a question that divide this with this. That type of question you will never encounter, but it will be useful for while doing the factorization and in future as well. That's why I am showing it to you. So at first you need to focus on the first term of the divisor. See, this 2x plus 6 is the divisor, you all know, right? And this is the
Yes,
divisor.
ma'am.
So we are going to focus on the first term of the divisor and the first term of the dividend. And we will ask a question from ourselves, that what should be multiplied with 2x to get 6x square? What should we multiply with 2x to get 6x square? 2x, what should we multiply to get 6x square? Yes, anyone? Is it 3x?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you realizing, is it 3x?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it is 3x. So this way you have to think about, okay, the number and the variable whatever will be there along with that. So in 2x we need to multiply 3x to get 6x square. Now this 2x and 3x multiplied together is giving us 6x square, but the quotient which you have written 3x, that will not only multiply with 2x, that will get multiplied with this. Okay, this quotient, this 3x will get multiplied with the complete divisor. No, why it will only multiply with the first term? Okay, it will get divided, I mean it will be multiplied with the complete term, complete 2x plus 6. Okay, we were just checking 2x to get an idea. Okay, once we realize that quotient will be 3x, then we can say that it will be completely multiplied with each other by distributive property. Okay, that means 3x into 2x is 6x square, which we have written, and 3x into 6 will be 18x. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is how we will be checking, and this is how we will be proceeding. Now, the way we are doing the subtraction is in long division method, in the basic long division method. Here also we need to do the subtraction this way. But these all the terms are in bracket. When you will do the subtraction, even though I'm making bracket or not, you have to understand this is in bracket. These all are together. If you will subtract it, then each and every term will change its sign. So this plus 6x square will become minus 6x square. This 6x square became negative, and this 18x also became negative. See, even though I am not showing the bracket, and even though you will not see bracket anytime, but this is what happening, that subtraction you are doing, but due to the bracket each and every sign is changing. So your 6x square became negative 6x square, and your 18x became minus 18x. Now you will just focus on this purple sign, forget about the previous symbol. Okay, just focus on this purple sign, purple symbol. Okay, the 6x square minus 6x square cancel, you can say 0. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
10x minus 18x, focus on the purple sign. 10x minus 18x will be minus 8x. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we will copy this one, that is minus 24. Now again we will be starting from the beginning. That means again we will see the first term over here, and again we will see the first term over here. Just to have an idea, what will be there in the quotient part. So what should we multiply? If you are not able to relate, then let me give you a bigger number example, then definitely you will be able to understand that what exactly we are doing. Okay, suppose I will write 17 over here, and I will write 3, 2, 4, 5, 9, 8. Do the division. Then do you just, okay, let me make it another number like this. Yeah. While doing this type of division, do you check the table of 4 and 32 maybe? Do you check like that? Do you check like that? If not, then do you need to check like that only. For doing this much a long division, which student learn in class 3 or 4. Okay, what they do, let me tell you what they do. They read the table of 4 and they realize, okay, 4 8 times 32. Then they check 47 into 8. If that is a bigger number, then they check 47 into 7. This is what they do. Just to get idea, they check this number with this number. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the same thing we are doing. Okay, we are not doing anything different. We are just checking the first term over here with the first term over here. Just to have an idea that 2x, what shall we multiply with that 2x to get minus 8x? So are you realizing minus 4? Just minus 4. 2x, just minus 4 you will multiply and you will end up getting minus 8x. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Minus 4 you need to write in the quotient part. And this time you need to multiply properly. The way there 47 you are multiplying, same way here properly you will multiply minus 4 with your divisor, that is 2x plus 6. Are you getting it?
Yes.
Okay, so you are getting minus 8x, great. And also you are getting minus 24. Okay, now there also you do subtraction, here also you will do subtraction. There also you do subtraction, here also you are going to do subtraction. Due to this subtraction sign, each and every sign will reverse because this is exactly in bracket, okay? So each and every sign is reversing. This minus 8x is becoming positive 8x, positive 8x. And minus 24 is becoming plus 24. Let me change the color. Now you need to focus on this red color part, the red color symbol. And you will be getting 0 here, you will be getting 0 here. See, minus 8x plus 8x, 0. Minus 24 plus 24, 0. That means remainder is nothing, 0. And we are done with the division. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am, it is clear.
Okay, this is how you need to do the division of polynomials. Exactly same way. Okay, one more question and then coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry is such a simple chapter. You will be able to understand quickly. So x plus 3 we are having, and we are going to divide 4x square minus 5x minus 21. Okay, we are going to see the first term of the divisor and the first term. What shall we multiply with this x to get 4x square? Please tell me.
4x.
4x, yeah.
4x.
Okay, so 4x multiplied with x is 4x square, but this 4x we need to multiply with the complete divisor. Okay, you need to multiply your quotient with the complete divisor. That means you will be getting 4x square, you will be getting 12x. Let's write it. 4x square plus 12x. We will do the subtraction and each and every sign will reverse. Okay, so this is becoming negative and this is becoming negative. Now you need to focus on this green symbol, this green sign. 4x square minus 4x square, 0. Minus 5x minus 12x minus 17x. Is it so? Or,
Sure.
yeah, it is so. Okay, minus 21. Now again the same question. Okay, what shall we take? Okay, with what shall we multiply with this x to get minus 17x?
Minus 17.
Minus 17. We will be getting minus 17x minus 51. Okay, 17 into 3 will be 51. You will be doing the subtraction. Okay, each and every sign will reverse. So this sign became plus, this also became plus. You are getting 0 here and minus 21 plus 51. Minus 21 plus 51, integer chapter concept you need to use. 51 minus 21, 0, 3, 3, 0, 30 is your remainder. And you are done. Is it clear? Remainder will also come. Yeah, remainder can also come. Okay. But when you will do factorization, you will not be getting remainder. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
Okay. Now coordinate geometry we can start. Coordinate geometry means number line is not new to you. Okay. Suppose I am drawing a number line, a green color number line. Why I am saying green color number line? I am coming to that part. Okay, a green color number line, that means we will only be representing the integers over here. Okay, that means plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4. Okay, minus 1, Actually, this is number line. All the numbers are there. Okay. Fractional number, decimal number, negative number, positive number, everything. This is real line actually. But when we draw it, we bare minimum we represent integers on this line, right? And I'm going to draw another one more number line, a black color number line, and here also same thing, integers I am representing. Two number lines we are having. Okay, now we will do one arrangement. The green color number line I am going to place horizontally like this. And the black one, I am going to place it vertically this way. Okay. And while placing it this way, be careful. The positive numbers you are just placing on the, okay, the like above zero. Positive number is above zero. This way you need to place. You cannot, okay, do any way your number line when you are placing your number line. When you are placing it horizontally, always your positive number will be on the right and negative number will be on the left. Can I just revolve the number line like this? No. Okay, we cannot do so. That is not allowed in mathematics, that place the positive number towards the left and negative towards the right. That is a big no no. Similarly, what else is big no no? While placing the number line vertically, always we will place the positive number above zero and negative number below zero. Can I just switch it, the negative above and the positive below? No, again that is a big no no. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is how we have to arrange our number line. And one thing, if you will notice carefully, okay, I have just placed zero, the previous, the green one zero on the black one zero. Are you realizing it? Both the zeros are overlapping with each other. The green number lines zero and the black number line zero are just sitting on each other, overlapping with each other. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
That's how I have placed the number line. Zero on each other. That's how, okay, intentionally I have just created this arrangement. Two number lines I have taken. I placed the previous zero with the current zero on each other, overlapping with each other. The one of the number line I am keeping horizontally straight horizontally, even though my line doesn't look straight. Just think about it, it is in straight only. Okay, and the vertical one is still straight. Straight means both are perpendicular with each other, both are 90-degree with each other. That's how systematically I am arranging the number line. And I am, after doing this step, I am saying that now I created a completely different, okay, completely different system, that is Cartesian system. An arrangement I did, and this arrangement name I am saying that a Cartesian system we have created. Okay, here, this is from here the coordinate geometry starts. But first tell me, till here, is it making sense to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is nothing but just a number line. Okay, the horizontal one and the vertical one. From now onward, we cannot say the horizontal one and the vertical one. So just to avoid this terminology, horizontal one and the vertical one, we are going to say the horizontal as a x-axis and the vertical as a y-axis. So if I want to say Okay, if I am willing to say that horizontal one, I will suppress it and I will say x-axis. So whoever will be there on the other side, even a person from US or UK or from anywhere, they will understand, okay, x-axis means I am talking about the horizontal one. And I will say y-axis, so they will understand I am talking about the vertical one. Making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is how we are having the, okay, and arrangement we have created, just that. Now on number line, let's get back to our number line. On number line, if I will say that where is 0.5, you will say this is the location of 0.5, right? Or you also have, maybe in integer chapter you have solved questions, x and y related question, where x, if you are getting x value as a 5, you were also representing it on number line that here x is positive 5, right?
Yes,
Right.
ma'am.
Okay, in integer chapter, where you were just dealing with this type of number line. Now this time, okay, this time our, we will not have just a value or single value, x is 5. Okay, you can see, we, since we are using two number lines, so double value will be getting. Okay, the x-axis will give you a value and the y-axis will give you a value. Okay, if we have to say, what is the location, that means if I will mention, just a moment, this point A. What is the address of point A? Okay, address means just like the previous one. If I will show you, just focus on the orange color marker. If I will mention in the previous one that exactly in the middle in the graph paper, that what is the value over here at this orange, here on graph paper, I'm just showing exact middle in between -2 and -3. So you will tell me, no, that it is -2.5, yes or no? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Similarly, what about this system, the system which we have created here, how we will say, okay, the address of that point, that means what, by which number we will represent that point. Okay, here how beautifully we are saying it is -2.5. There what we will say in our system, a complete different system which we have created. So see here, when we have to say what is the address of point A, what is the location of point A, what we will do, we will drop a perpendicular on x-axis like this, a perpendicular on x-axis, and you will drop a perpendicular on y-axis like this, a 90-degree, you are just perpendicular drawing on x-axis, okay, or perpendicular on y-axis by using any tool, no, okay, just by yourself. Okay, just by yourself, you are just dropping a perpendicular, okay, and you are dropping a perpendicular on the y-axis. Now your perpendicular is touching the x-axis at 2, so here, okay, address will look like this, x is 2 and y, the perpendicular is touching the y-axis at 1. Please see carefully, it is touching y-axis at 1, 1. So y will be 1. So while writing the address or the location in this system, in Cartesian system, our point looks like this. Here we always write the x coordinate first and then we write the y coordinate. How we identify x and y coordinate? From the same point, from the given point, we drop the perpendicular approximately with just our pen. Okay, we just draw a straight line on x-axis or straight line on y-axis, and we see our straight line is touching the x-axis at 2, so x will be 2, and our straight line is touching the y-axis at 1. Okay, actually it is 1. our A, this point is touching the y-axis at 1, so y will be 1. In bracket, we will write the, this is how we will write the coordinate. This is how we will write the address in this system. Is it making sense?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if I will take a complete different point, okay, suppose I am taking a point over here, point B, and I am asking you the same question. Please tell me the address. That means the coordinate. For writing the coordinate, we will always follow this pattern. X first, Y. Then after X, then we will be writing comma and then Y. Okay, the X value, then comma, then Y value. We will be calling it X coordinate, then Y coordinate. Okay, so we will be dropping the perpendicular on X axis and we will be dropping the perpendicular on Y axis. And we will see our perpendicular is touching the x-axis at -2 and our perpendicular is touching the y-axis at -2. So the address or the coordinate of this point is -2 comma -2. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, if you are getting it, then let's find coordinate of few points. Okay, one by one you will be telling me that what are the coordinates. I'm just trying to draw again the same coordinate axis, x-axis and y-axis, and let's see. So this, okay, since I have placed the x-axis 0 on the y-axis 0, so coordinate of this point will be 0 comma 0. Okay, coordinate of this point is 0 comma 0 and this point is known as origin. The way I am having my name, the way you are having your name, same way this point is having a name, and always we will call it origin. Coordinate of origin is 0 0. Why 0 0? Because we intentionally have placed 0 on each other, okay, overlapping on each other. That's why the coordinate over here will be always 0 0. Anywhere if MCQ question will be there that the coordinate of origin is, so you have to understand origin means that point of intersection, okay, of x-axis and y-axis, that's called origin, and their coordinate is always 0 0. Okay, now I am talking about, I'll be giving few questions to you. So just a moment, let me write it properly. Okay, now you are going to tell me what is the coordinate of a point A. Okay, I will help you because you cannot draw a straight line with, okay, on x-axis, on y-axis. So I will just help you making this line. Today I'm making it for you, but next time when you will have question in question paper or in your book or anywhere, you have to draw a straight line. This dotted line you have to draw by yourself. Okay, please tell me the coordinate of a point A.
2,3.
Yeah, x coordinate is 2 and y coordinate is 3. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Please tell me coordinate of a point B. B. What is the coordinate of point B? What is x? What is y? Yes, you should not get confused. Okay, I
Ma'am,
have
for
for
B1
B.
is 3/1.
For B, this is B.
Yeah, 3 by
Drawing
1.
3 comma 1. When we are dropping a perpendicular on x-axis, it is touching 3. When we are dropping perpendicular on y-axis, it is touching 1. So 3 comma 1. First x, then y. First x, then y. Always in this format you have to write. Okay. How you go and just drop the letter, okay, in the post office, and they always ask that you have to write the address in a particular format. And if you have not written the address in a particular format, they will ask you that just throw this cover, okay, the envelope, and just take a new envelope and then write. They are very particular about the address, because that address will decide that whoever is getting the envelope, they will just place it at the right place. They will drop it at the right place. If here and there you will do, okay, not writing properly, then there will be confusion, and the person, okay, the postman will not be able to drop it at the right place. So that's why they are really, really, really particular about the format. If you have to follow this format, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly, we have to be particular about the format. Always you have to write X and then Y. It doesn't happens like that you want to write first, then you want to write Y first, then you can write. No, it's not allowed. Okay, it's not allowed. This will give wrong information. Okay, so you always, just after showing this part, I'll be showing the next part as well, but today we'll be practicing for now this part only. So you have to be particular. At first, always you will write x coordinate and then you will write the y coordinate. Okay, let's find the coordinate of a point C. Anyone from here? What is the coordinate of a point C?
6, comma 6.
6 comma 6. X is 6 and y is also 6. Doesn't matter if both are same, but still you have to write properly. First x, then y. First x, then y. Okay. What is the coordinate of a point D?
-3, comma -2.
Yes, x is -3 and y is -2. What is the coordinate of a point E?
3 comma minus 3.
X is 3 and y is -3. Yes. Okay, you have to be really particular about the, okay, format. Next. This line you have to make. Okay, I am here making it for you. You can annotate on the screen, but that will create confusion. Okay, that's why I am doing it for you for now. What will be the coordinate of a point F?
-5, comma 2.
X is -5 and y is 2. Okay, I'm just trying to show the exactly middle. Okay, don't get confused that where we are having. What will be the coordinate of a point G? Yes. What will be the coordinate of a point G?
-2.5, comma 5.
Yes. My 2.5, because as I said, if I'm taking a point in the middle, I'm just trying to show you it is exactly middle. Okay, comma 5. So far, anyone having any confusion?
Ma'am,
No, ma'am.
Yeah.
ma'am, if that line is not in the middle, like it is more close to 2, then still it will be 2.5?
If the line is not exactly in between,
Yeah, like,
for
like
now,
the, okay.
okay, just started, always you will be having a proper coordinate. Okay, even decimal you will not be having, but still I have given you one example, and even if decimal you are having, always you will be having the exact middle, always.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, it will not be here and there. If the graph is drawn, then the figure is given. Let me show you. Okay, have you seen graph paper?
Yeah.
Okay, if the graph paper I am giving you, that is here one. Suppose I am marking a point over here. A. And now I am asking you, see, why I have shown the points like this. Just try understanding that this is a graph paper, which is giving you this much clarity. Okay, graph paper. Now you will be able to count it. You will be able to understand after 1, it is nothing but 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6. Are you getting it? Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
So the
Yes,
code
ma'am.
will be positive 1.6, comma, positive 2. Is it clear? This type of question I can only ask if I am giving you graph paper. Randomly, I cannot ask. Without even showing these lines or anything, randomly in the middle, exactly middle only I can ask, but here and there I can't give you, because that way I will also not be able to figure it out. Okay, if I will see such question, then I will also surely not be able to say what will be the point address over there. So that type of question you will never ever encounter, and if you are getting, then graph paper will be given to you. In question paper graph portion, yes, in question paper also sometimes they take the xerox of the graph portion in the paper, actual paper. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
then
ma'am.
this type of question can be there, otherwise it will not be there. You can understand coordinate can be, okay, negative, positive, decimal, anything. Okay, so you will always be getting such question where integers are there, maybe positive integer or maybe negative integer. So far you have understood, that how to identify the address. But what if I will tell you that this type of point will be given to us and we need to locate it by ourselves? Okay, so let's see that also. If we have to locate it by ourselves, suppose this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, here 1, here 2, here 3, here minus 1, minus 2, here 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, like that. Okay, if I will locate a point, wait, if I will give you a point that let's locate 2 comma 1. Now this time you have to locate it. I am not locating it. Okay, previously I was locating the point and you were telling me the address. Now I have given you the address and we have to be the postman now. We have to take the envelope and just place it at the right place. Okay, this envelope we have to take it and we have to drop it at the right place. Okay, so this time our job is different. Okay, let's understand what we will do. Always the first one represent the x coordinate. Always the first one represent the x coordinate. Okay, and the second one represents the y coordinate. So we can see x is 2. Now on the number line on x-axis, I will try searching where is 2, where is 2, where is 2. Okay, here is 2. And y is 1. On y-axis, I'm going to search where is 1. Okay, here is 1. Now we will be starting from the x-axis, from 2. You have to go exactly straight, perpendicular, 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 perpendicular. In front of 1, you will stop. Are you getting what I'm talking about?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you will start from the x coordinate, that is 2. And you will just keep on moving in upward direction. Why you are moving upward direction? Because your y is positive 1. That's why you are moving up. So whenever you will start from x-axis, you have two choices. Can we go up or down? Up or down? Okay, left and right, you are not thinking. Are you going to go up or down? So when your y is positive, you will be moving up. When your y is positive, you will be moving down to search that y. Okay, and straight perpendicular up you are moving from 2. You are moving and moving and moving and moving and moving. Once you see that, okay, straight you are having in front of this one, you will stop over here. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now you will say this is the location. Okay, this is the address 2 comma 1. If you want to be assured, then you can check by dropping the perpendicular on y and x. Is it making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, suppose I will give another point. 2 comma minus 3. So x is 2, y is minus 3. You will start from x, that is 2. Okay, once you are starting from x, that is 2, this 2, this 2. You have two choice, going up or going down, going up or going down. Since your y is negative, to search that y, you will go down. Of course, down. Yes or no? Of
Yes,
course,
ma'am.
right? Now you will keep on moving straight, perpendicular. Okay, straight. You will go down and straight, straight, straight. You will go down till the time you will see your minus 3 exactly in front of you, exactly straight, exactly perpendicular. Then only you will stop over here. And you will say this is the point which is x is 2 and y is minus 3. Are you getting it? These lines you don't have to draw. Okay, you are just moving with, okay, you are just moving and stopping. Okay, you don't have to draw these lines while doing all these things. Directly you have to locate the point. Are you getting it? This is the location which is 2 comma minus 3. If you are not sure, you can drop a perpendicular like this and you can be assured. Are you getting it? Yes. Anyone want to ask anything? Yes. Do you want to ask anything?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Let's see a few more point. Suppose our coordinate looks like this. Minus 3 comma positive 1. We will see on x-axis. This is x, this is y. That's why from the beginning I was telling you, if you want, you can write here and there. That is not at all acceptable over here. Okay, whoever is giving us the point, the same format they are following. And we also have to be careful with that. So the first one is x and the second one is y. So our x coordinate is minus 3 and y is 1. If you will just, if you will get confused over here, then you will end up just dropping this envelope in the wrong address. Okay, so first it always write your x is -3. Now you will see on x-axis where is -3. So yeah, on x-axis on the left direction we can see -3. Now here we have two choices. We have two choices. Either we will go up or we will go down. Since our y is a positive number, to search that positive number, of course we will be moving up. Getting it? So we will move up and up and up and up. Okay, till the time you will see 1, you will stop. Straight 1 should be there in front of you, then only you are stopping. And this is the point -3, 1. Are you getting it, everyone? These line you are making, okay, you are not making, you are just doing everything straight. So you are moving the pen, but you are not writing it, and just you are stopping. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is the point -3, 1. If still you have doubt that maybe I'm quite up or quite downward side, my point is not that accurate, then place the scale and then check, is it straight? Place the scale and then check, is it straight? Getting it? Let's do the next few points. Suppose we are having -5. No, 5 I have not written, but it is there on the number line. Okay, I have not written because I'm having this much space. Okay, if I am giving you another point, let's say -2, -2. This type of point also, okay, exist. Of course, okay, just now you have seen such points. So here x is -2 and y is also -2. You will be starting from x, where -2 you are having. Okay, this. Now you have two choices. Either go up or go down. Either go up or go down. But since your y is negative, you will be moving in the downward direction. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so from 2, you will start in downward direction straight. You can also place a scale over here like this. In a straight you are going. You are moving and moving and moving. And once you saw this -2 in front, you are stopping over here. Okay, you can also take the scale and you can check it that is it perfectly straight or not. Then this is the location of the point of -2 comma -2. Is it clear? You can draw a perpendicular line. Okay, since you are learning it for the very first time, it is completely acceptable and allowed. In your school exam also, yeah, it is allowed. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is how you are locating the point. See, two things you have learned: how to identify the point and how to locate the point. Okay, I am just summarizing with this two things. Please don't get confused. You have learned today two things. First, if I will locate a point A, you will tell me what is the coordinate of a point A. Anyone? What is the coordinate of a
One,
point
one,
1, 1?
One.
X is 1, y is 1. And the next part you have learned is if I will tell you that please locate 5, 4, then this time you are going to locate it. I have not located the point. You have to locate it. Okay, I have given you the point, address I have given. This time address is known. You have to locate it. Your x coordinate is 5, your y is 4. Always, since you are learning it for the very first time, you will write it as it is. Because sometime I give 5 comma 4 and a student just take y as a 5 and x as a 4 just by mistake, because I will not give one question, no, I will give so many points, 10, 20